2016 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, cruise control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, compass. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.